DMC कॉलेजीन गोय मर्यादित महाविद्यालयातल्या TY.BCom विद्यार्थ्यांखातीर डेटा एनालिसिस आणि प्रोजेक्ट रिपोर्ट रायटिंग या विषयाचेर राज्य पावण्यावयली कार्यशाळा जाली। DMC कॉलेज पदव्युत्तर विभागाचो प्राचार्य महेंद्र तेलीन माहिती दिली। महाविद्यालयाच्या कॉन्फरन्स हॉलांत कार्यावळीचे उक्तावण जाले।
But they are not in, we cannot write the units in the table. But that is important to know. The someone who is reading your project should know in what units the data is fitted in the table. So it's important that you write the footnote. How you try to arrive at the data which you require for collecting, for doing the research. So after collecting the data, your actual task or the thing to the analysis is analyzing and
we have designed this workshop especially for TY.BCom students across Goa, and our main objective for this particular workshop is students should select statistical tool for data analysis in a proper fashion. Also, they should be in a position to skillfully write project report. So the main agenda, if you look at it, of this particular workshop is to ensure that the TY.BCom students are preparing their project report in the best possible fashion. And this is the first time that we have floated such a workshop for the students of TY.BCom in Goa, because if you look at the objectives of NEP 2020, it clearly says that research is the future, and Government of India is also stressing more on research. And that is where exactly we thought of training the students in the areas of research. So we are hopeful that students across Goa, especially TY.BCom students who are attending this workshop today, they will do one of the best research for their TY.BCom course.
GOA365 खातीर नितीक्षा गावकार, गौतमी गावकार आणि सानिका नागवेकर।